Hi you guys, I'm Agima and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you all my M caffeine haul, or rather you all can say my M caffeine kit. So this is the box I have got here. To know what I have got, please keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's get on to the video. This is the box as I have showed you all, and when I open it, we have, oh my god, so many things in here, and it's very heavy. It's very heavy. So the first thing we have in the box is this is the M caffeine mail. I got this the same thing as well in my previous M caffeine haul, which was the body polishing kit, if I'm not wrong. So I got this little envelope in that thing too. If you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in the description box so you all can check it out. So the next thing I have got here is this pouch, and there is something in this pouch. I can feel it, so let's open it. I forgot what things I get in here, because I got this thing when I got the M caffeine body polishing kit, but I wasn't able to do like a review or a haul of this thing. So now I'm doing it. Okay, so we get a small coffee body polishing oil, and the second thing we have here is, okay, this is the coffee body scrub, and these are tiny version. So this is what we get in this pouch. So I got this kit when there was the third birthday year or something going on of the M caffeine. So I got it that time, and I got it for like a discounted price, and it was a very good price. So that is why I got both of them together. So the next thing I have got in this is the pouch. This is a similar pouch. I'm not going to open it because I have shown it in my body polishing kit video, that M caffeine haul. I have got the same pouch in here. So the main thing we got here is this, and it is wrapped in a, it has got a bubble wrap. So this box is actually bigger than the the body polishing kit box, and much heavier than that was. And at the back of the box there are things what we get here. Okay, so this kit is called the M caffeine coffee mood gift kit, and this contains coffee body scrub, coffee face mask, coffee face scrub, coffee face wash, perk up face towel, and brew scoop. And there is the MRP price written here, which is 2020, but I didn't get it for this price. I got it for like between 1000 or something, I think so, because I got it long back ago. So now just open it. Okay, so oh my god, this is so heavy. So this is what I got in that kit, all of these things, and then you get the same thing over here, which I got in the body polishing oil kit. Okay, let me show you, because it's very difficult and it's very heavy to carry it. Okay. So the first thing we get here is the coffee face wash, and this is 100 ml, and it's written here that it is for normal to oily skin people. And there is coffee with white water lily into this, and I haven't opened it yet because I have so many skincare products to try still. So I have to like try those first and then let me come to this thing. So I will show you guys when I try these things, and then I will altogether give or share a review of mine on these products. So the next thing we get here is this coffee face mask, and it's with coffee with pure cocoa, and again it's for normal to oily skin, and this is a 100-gram product, and it's a glass bottle as you can see, and the original individual price of this things are written here. So this face mask is for MRP 575. I don't know if this is written, this face wash's price, yeah, okay, it's written here, and this is for 349 rupees, and you get like a small wooden spoon kind of a thing for this face mask, and then you get this brew scoop, as you got it for as I got it for M Caffeine body polishing oil, and then I got this M Caffeine body scrub, and this contains coffee with coconut, and again this is for normal to oily skin, and it's a 100-gram product, and the price of this thing is 449 individually. So this is the body scrub, and this is also a glass bottle, so I had to handle it with care, and that is why this kits are very heavy. So the second last product we have here is this M Caffeine face scrub, and it's with coffee with vitamin E, and again it is for normal to oily skin, and 100-gram product. This also consists, this also retails for rupees 349, and this is how it looks. Okay, and the last product we have here is this towel. So this is the M Caffeine towel, and it's pretty, it's cute, it's so cute, and they are M Caffeine is written over here. So cute. Okay, I'm just in love with this towel. Okay, and yeah, and then we get a book into this booklet. It's a booklet. Okay, so this was my M Caffeine haul or M Caffeine products which I got, and I really love the packaging of this kits because they are very handy. They come in very handy if you are over with the products. Also the box comes in handy to keep your makeup products or skincare products or any other things which you want to, like jewelries and etc. So this box is very useful, and this is a cardboard box. It's not a plastic box or anything, so it's very good for the environment. With this thing I end my video here, and if you did like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, follow Aggima's Lifestyle and the Siva Style Store, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.